Java comments. Now, in this section, you're going to learn about Java comments and why and how to use them. The comments can be used to provide information or by way of explanation about any statement, variable, method, and class. Now, please note that comments should contain only relevant information to read and understand the program, no Easter eggs. Writing comments is a really good practice, and it will help others to understand what our code is. It will also help us when we return later to our own code and have to rewrite something. The comments can also be used to hide program code in some cases. They are completely ignored by the Java compilers. But basically, I'll tell you that there are two different types of comments in Java: single-line comment and multi-line comment. What, you thought it was going to be the name of a blockbuster movie or something? So the single-line comment is used to comment only on, check it out, one line. It starts with a double slash symbol. Okay, very important. The compiler ignores everything from double slash to the end of the line. So this, of course, is the easiest type of comment. The multi-line comment is used to comment on multiple lines of code. It starts with a slash and asterisk and ends with an asterisk and a slash. So that way the compiler ignores everything between a slash, asterisk, and asterisk slash. Say that 3 times fast. All right, so go back to the exercise project, right-click on the source folder, and then select New Class. Specify a package name as comment and the class name as comment, and then select the checkbox to add it to the main method. First message is, Welcome to Java, by using print line. So let's run the code. You see Welcome to Java as a text in the console. So now let's add 2 single-line comments above the printin method. What do we use? Double slash to add a single comment. And then let's run the code again. See how the compiler ignores these comments? Also, Eclipse has a quick shortcut for you to add a single line. You can just use Control plus 7 as the key combination from your keyboard. If you use this combination on the code line, Eclipse automatically adds double slash at the beginning of the line. Now, if you do use this key combination on the same line again, then Eclipse removes comment marks. So, let's add a multi-line comment above the main method. To do that, we'll use multi-line comment between slash and asterisk and slash. And let's run the code again, and the result is the same. So we can add multi-line comments to a code block. First, let's declare 3 variables with int type. First, A, and assign 5. Second, B, and assign 2. And last, sum, with initial value is 0 and assign A plus B to sum. Right, so now let's print the variable sum on the screen by using the print method. All right? Okay, good. So let's run the code. Now, if we want to add multi-line comments to a code block, first we'll put slash and asterisk, and then also at the end of the code block. So let's run the code. So you see that only welcome to Java is our text because compiler ignores the comments block. So that pretty much covers it. I certainly think that we don't need to go into greater detail. That pretty much covers comments in Java clearly.